This is my inbox. 47 emails. Half of them a week old. All of them judging me. Watch what happens when I type one sentence. That, right there, is Claude Cowork reading every single email, sorting them into piles, and drafting replies to the 9 that actually need a human. No N8N, no Zapier, no 14-step setup. I typed a sentence. Stick with me and I'll build this exact thing on your inbox from a blank screen, even if you've never opened this app in your life. If you've opened Claude Cowork and felt lost, you're not alone. It looks complicated. It's actually just 6 rooms. Let me walk you through the house. Room 1, home. This is the front door. You type in one box and you make one choice. Talk or do. Chat answers questions. Cowork does the work. Room 2, projects. Think of these as dedicated offices. One client, one business, one goal. Each project keeps its own files, its own instructions, even its own memory. Room 3, tasks. This is where the work actually happens. Every task shows you Claude's plan, its progress, and what it built. Start one on your laptop, finish it from your phone. Same task, same memory. Room 4, schedule. This one's my favorite. Weekly reports, daily research, inbox summaries. They run in the cloud while your computer is closed. You wake up and the work is done. Room 5, artifacts. Everything Claude builds lives here. Dashboards, trackers, tools. Some of them even refresh themselves with live data. And room 6, customize. Skills teach Claude how you work. Connectors plug in Gmail, Notion, Slack. Plugins bundle it all together. So that's the house. 6 rooms. Here's your task. Don't master all 6 today. And today, we're only opening one room. The front door. Because that's where your inbox lives. First, we plug email in. Down in the sidebar, click Customize. Then click Connectors. And look at that. Gmail is sitting right at the top under Popular. Click Connect. It tells me I'm not connected yet. Click Connect again, and it sends me over to Google to sign in. I pick my business account, not my personal one. Google asks if I'm sure I want to give access. I scroll down and click Continue. And it throws me right back into Claude. That's it. Email's plugged in. That whole thing took a minute. Now stop. Do not click past this screen. This is the most important 30 seconds of the video. When you connect email, Claude shows you every single thing it's allowed to do, line by line. Read your mail, search it, label it, write drafts, and down here, send and delete. See how write and delete say needs approval? Leave those. Do not set them to always allow. Here's what that means in plain English. Claude can read your whole inbox and write drafts all day long, but it physically cannot send an email or delete an email unless you click Yes first. That's your seatbelt. Nobody watching this is going to accidentally fire off a half-written email to their biggest client. That's the difference between a tool that helps you and a tool that embarrasses you. Good? Good. Let's actually use it. First, real command. And you talk to it exactly like you'd talk to an assistant. No special words, no code. I'll click in the box and type, "What's in my inbox today?" Hit the orange arrow. Give it a second. And look at this. It's not vomiting 47 emails at me. It grouped them. Newsletters and promos over here. Junk, basically. Actual humans who emailed me over here. And right away, it's telling me that out of 47, only 9 are real, and the other 38 are noise. I just got my inbox summarized without opening a single email. But summarizing is the easy part. Watch this next one. Before I show you the prompt that stings, if this is already saving you an hour a week, subscribe. It costs you 1 click. I count it. This is the one that stings. I'm going to type, "Find emails I haven't replied to in 3 or more days." Click Go. This is the pile every single one of us is avoiding. And yeah, ouch. 6 emails I left unread. There's the guy from Tuesday who wanted a quote. There is a client asking a real question that I completely forgot. This right here is the prompt that saves the deal you didn't even remember you were losing. It found them in 4 seconds. Now let's make it actually answer me. Let's answer the client I ghosted. I'll type, take the email from Sarah about the March invoice and write a reply I can send. But do not send it, just draft it. Go. Watch it work. It's reading the whole back and forth, and it's writing a reply in my tone, not robot speak. And there it is. See this pop-up asking me to approve? That's the seatbelt I set up earlier, doing its job. Nothing gets saved or sent without me. I click approve. Now let me prove it didn't send anything sketchy. I'll jump over to Gmail, open my drafts, and there it is. A finished reply, sitting in drafts, waiting for me to read it and hit send myself. I get the final word every time. Here's where this goes from a party trick to something you'll actually use every day. I don't want to retype that stuff every morning, so I'll just say, turn this prompt into a skill called inbox triage. Hit go, watch. It's building it, and it even tests it on its own to make sure it works. Then it hands me a little skill file. I click copy to my skills, done. That's now a saved button. Let me show you where it lives. Click the briefcase again, click skills, and there it is, inbox triage. I never have to type that prompt again. I just tap the skill. Last piece, and this is the part that feels like magic. We make it run by itself. Find the icon that looks like a little clock. Click it, then click New Task. For the name, I'll type Morning Inbox Triage. Quick description so future me remembers what it does. Now for the actual instructions. I'm not retyping anything. I click the plus, choose Skill, and drop in that Inbox Triage skill we just built. For frequency, I pick Daily, and I set the time to 9 in the morning. Hit Save. One detail that matters. When you make the task, set it to run in the cloud. See the little cloud icon? That means it runs every morning, even if your laptop is closed, in a bag, in another state. Tasks set to run on your computer need it awake. There's a keep awake toggle for those. Cloud. Trust me. Fewer moving parts. And don't just trust me, test it right now. Click Run Now. There it goes. Same triage, on demand, drafts and all. That's the whole system. Your inbox sorts itself and writes your replies before you've had your coffee. And you still approve every send. And if you run a business and you want this built for you, the inbox, the follow-ups, all of it done for you inside your own company, that's literally what I do. Link to systemprompt.co below. I answer email fast now, obviously.